Welcome back to TechEyeSpy, where we dive deep into the world of groundbreaking technology and innovative companies that are reshaping our future. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a unique player in the tech landscape, Oxford Instruments PLC, ticker symbol OXIG. Now, this isn't your flashy Silicon Valley startup or a big-name tech giant. Oxford Instruments is a British company with a quiet but powerful presence in the scientific and quantum technology world, crafting the very tools that help us explore the hidden secrets of the universe. From quantum computing to ultra-low temperature physics and even dark matter research, Oxford Instruments stands at the forefront of scientific discovery, providing essential tools that enable some of the most ambitious research projects on the planet. In this episode, we'll be taking a deep dive into the company's strengths, challenges, opportunities, and threats to determine if Oxford Instruments is a solid investment for those looking to back innovation with long-term potential. Is this understated powerhouse worth adding to your portfolio, or are there unseen risks lurking beneath its surface? Stick around as we delve into the science, the strategy, and the future prospects of Oxford Instruments, all with a dash of that TechEyeSpy analysis you know and love.
If you like the following content, please leave a tip at buymeacoffee.com/Whitley.
Oxford Instruments, a paragon of scientific innovation, stands as a beacon in the realm of high technology tools and systems. Established in 1959, this venerable institution has cultivated a reputation for excellence, providing cutting-edge equipment that enables researchers and industries to explore and manipulate matter at the atomic and molecular levels. At the heart of Oxford Instruments' strength lies its unwavering commitment to research and development, R&D. The company allocates a significant portion of its resources to pioneering advancements, ensuring its offerings remain at the forefront of technological innovation. This dedication has yielded a diverse portfolio encompassing tools for materials analysis, nanotechnology, and quantum computing, each a testament to the company's ingenuity. Financially, Oxford Instruments is as robust as a well-fortified castle. In the fiscal year ending March 2024, the company reported revenues of £470.4 million, reflecting a 9.8% increase at constant currency. This growth underscores its resilience and adaptability in a dynamic market. Such financial health not only reflects operational efficiency, but also provides the capital necessary to invest in future ventures and withstand economic fluctuations. The company's global footprint further amplifies its strength. With operations spanning Europe, North America, and Asia, Oxford Instruments has established a formidable presence in key markets. This geographical diversification mitigates regional risks and allows the company to tap into a broad spectrum of opportunities, from the bustling tech hubs of Silicon Valley to the burgeoning research centers of Asia. Moreover, Oxford Instruments' dedication to sustainability and ethical practices enhances its standing. By aligning its operations with environmental and social governance principles, the company not only fulfills its corporate responsibilities, but also appeals to a growing segment of conscientious consumers and investors. In essence, Oxford Instruments exemplifies a harmonious blend of innovation, financial acumen, global reach, and ethical integrity. These attributes coalesce to form a formidable entity, well-equipped to navigate the complexities of the modern technological landscape and poised to continue its legacy of excellence. Oxford Instruments, a venerable entity in the realm of scientific instrumentation, yet not without its share of vulnerabilities. The company's pronounced focus on specialized markets, particularly nanotechnology and advanced materials, renders it susceptible to the vicissitudes of these sectors. A downturn or stagnation in these areas could significantly impact its revenue streams, much like a ship heavily laden on one side, teetering precariously in turbulent waters. Geographically, Oxford Instruments' revenue is predominantly derived from Europe and North America, with Asia contributing a smaller portion. This regional concentration exposes the company to economic and political fluctuations within these territories, akin to a fortress with its defenses primarily facing one direction, leaving other fronts potentially vulnerable to unforeseen assaults. The company's financial structure reveals a notable increase in debt over recent years. While leveraging can fuel growth, it also imposes obligations that may constrain financial flexibility, especially during periods of economic uncertainty. This scenario is reminiscent of a noble house burdened with substantial loans, where the weight of repayment obligations could impede its ability to seize new opportunities or weather financial storms. Furthermore, the rapid pace of technological advancement presents a constant challenge. The necessity to continually innovate and adapt to emerging technologies demands substantial investment in research and development. Failure to keep pace could result in obsolescence, much like a once formidable knight finding his armor outdated and ineffective against modern weaponry. Lastly, the company's reliance on government and institutional funding for research projects introduces an element of unpredictability. Fluctuations in public funding, influenced by shifting political priorities and economic conditions, can lead to variability in demand for Oxford Instruments products and services. This dependence is akin to a courtier reliant on the favor of a capricious monarch, where fortunes can change with the slightest shift in the political winds. In summation, while Oxford Instruments stands as a bastion of innovation and expertise, it must navigate these inherent weaknesses with strategic foresight to maintain its esteemed position in the scientific community.
Discover unique gifts with Martian home prints on eBay. Looking for amazing gifts that are out of this world? Visit Martian Home Prints on eBay for a fantastic selection of unique items, including our rare and stylish flag socks. Whether you're shopping for a special occasion or just want to treat yourself, we have something for everyone. Our collection is perfect for those who appreciate creativity and uniqueness. Shop now at Martian Home Prints on eBay and find the perfect gift that stands out from the rest. Don't miss out on these incredible items. Just type Martian Home Prints or click the link in the description below and explore our store today.
Oxford Instruments stands on the cusp of a bright future, with opportunities unfolding before it like the pages of a promising tale. Quantum computing, a field rapidly advancing from theory to application, represents one such prospect, where Oxford Instruments has the unique chance to position itself as a key supplier for quantum research and industrial labs. The company's expertise in precision instrumentation and cryogenics aligns perfectly with the needs of quantum technologies, from qubit manipulation to ultra-sensitive measurements. This places Oxford Instruments in the enviable position of supplying the necessary tools to an industry that has captured both governmental and private investment on a global scale. Emerging markets in Asia provide another avenue for expansion, with rapidly growing interest and investments in scientific research and technological infrastructure. Regions such as China and India are bolstering their commitment to advanced research, and by building a stronger foothold here, Oxford Instruments could tap into a burgeoning demand for sophisticated instrumentation. This expansion would allow the company to diversify its revenue streams and reduce dependence on traditional markets, much like a well-prepared explorer staking claims in a land rich with resources. The recent global emphasis on sustainable technologies also presents Oxford Instruments with a timely opportunity. Environmental consciousness drives industries to adopt cleaner, more efficient technologies, a demand Oxford Instruments is poised to meet through its materials analysis and nanoscale capabilities. By developing tools that help reduce waste, improve energy efficiency, and support green technologies, Oxford Instruments could position itself as a pivotal player in the shift towards sustainable production and technology. Furthermore, collaboration with academic institutions and government-funded projects provides fertile ground for innovation. Partnerships with universities, like its recent engagement with the University of Sheffield, not only bolster Oxford Instruments' reputation as a leader in research and development, but also open doors to new applications in fields like dark matter, research in ultra-low temperature quantum physics. These alliances allow Oxford Instruments to remain at the frontier of scientific progress, where their products become indispensable tools in the laboratories pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The digital transformation sweeping through all sectors also brings exciting possibilities. As laboratories and industries adopt artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation, Oxford Instruments can integrate these technologies to enhance their own product lines. By embedding smart features into their instruments, such as predictive maintenance, enhanced data analysis, and automated workflows, the company can offer clients even greater precision, efficiency, and ease of use, positioning itself ahead of competitors in a digital age. In short, Oxford Instruments is well placed to seize numerous opportunities, from expanding its market reach to embracing quantum and sustainable technologies. With strategic foresight, it stands ready to continue its growth, riding the wave of technological advancements and scientific discovery. Oxford Instruments, for all its strength and promise, faces an array of challenges that loom on the horizon, each with the potential to disrupt its trajectory. Chief among these threats is the fierce competition within the scientific instrumentation and quantum technology sectors. Rivals, both established players and innovative startups, continually push the boundaries in areas such as nanotechnology, quantum systems, and materials analysis. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that a single breakthrough by a competitor could shift the landscape, leaving Oxford Instruments racing to catch up or risking obsolescence. Market volatility and economic fluctuations pose further threats, especially given Oxford Instruments' reliance on industries and institutions that are, at times, heavily influenced by economic cycles. When government funding or research budgets face cuts, spending on high-tech instrumentation may decline, reducing demand for Oxford's products. Additionally, as global supply chains become increasingly complex and often unpredictable, the company faces risks in sourcing critical materials and components, a challenge exacerbated by geopolitical tensions and trade disruptions. Such obstacles could hinder production timelines or increase costs, pressuring profit margins. The regulatory environment, too, is a constant and evolving pressure. Compliance with strict international standards, especially in fields dealing with quantum and cryogenic technologies, can demand significant resources. With countries continually updating their export controls, privacy regulations, and intellectual property laws, Oxford Instruments must vigilantly monitor and adapt to avoid costly penalties or restrictions. Failure to keep pace with these regulations, or a sudden shift in trade policies between major markets, could curtail Oxford Instruments' global reach and operational freedom. Moreover, talent retention and recruitment represent ongoing challenges. The niche expertise required to operate and innovate in advanced scientific fields places high demand on skilled professionals, particularly in cryogenics, quantum physics, and nanoengineering. As global technology hubs and competitive firms vie for the brightest minds, Oxford Instruments risks losing talent to more attractive offers, especially in highly competitive regions. Without a steady influx of skilled professionals, maintaining its innovative edge could become increasingly difficult. Lastly, technological change itself is a double-edged sword. While new fields such as quantum computing and dark matter research promise opportunities, they also pose a risk if Oxford Instruments cannot continually evolve to meet the growing demands of these complex areas. Failure to keep pace could not only hinder Oxford's relevance in emerging markets, but also dilute its position within traditional sectors. Thus, while Oxford Instruments stands as a formidable force today, the challenges it faces are potent, and careful navigation will be essential to safeguard its future. Oxford Instruments PLC, With its robust portfolio, financial stability, and foothold in emerging technologies like quantum computing and ultra-low temperature research, presents a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking long-term growth. The company's consistent dedication to research and development, coupled with its strategic partnerships with academic and research institutions, positions it as a leader in high-precision instrumentation and quantum technologies, fields with significant growth potential. In the shorter term, Oxford Instruments' fair valuation suggests that substantial, immediate price gains may be limited. However, for investors willing to adopt a longer horizon, the company's strengths, coupled with its initiatives in high-demand sectors like sustainable technology and quantum computing, could lead to meaningful appreciation over time. The forecasted earnings growth rate of around 38% points to a promising future, likely yielding value for shareholders over a 3 to 5 year period as quantum and cryogenics markets mature and investment in scientific research deepens. Given the potential market challenges, including competitive pressures and regulatory shifts, Oxford Instruments may not suit investors with a low risk tolerance or those seeking quick returns. But for those with patience and an eye on the long game, Oxford Instruments presents a worthy investment in an increasingly relevant sector. With its established reputation and pioneering advancements, it holds the potential to reward those who stay the course as it navigates and contributes to some of the most exciting technological frontiers of our time. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of TechEyeSpy. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into Oxford Instruments PLC and found some valuable insights to consider for your own investment journey. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tech and investment analyses. As always, feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep your eyes on the tech and your sights on the future. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you enjoyed my content, please support this channel by visiting buymeacoffee.com/Whitley or scan the QR code to leave a tip.